Hi, my name's Gwilym. I'm a Warden Support Officer Technical for Eryri National Park, and I do a bit of GIS mapping and keeping tabs of the public right-of-way database that we hold. So once you've logged onto the system, you can select where you've been. You'll see where the database of where we already have gates and furnitures. You can select the gate, log a problem, and ideally if you can send photos or attach your photos or any type of description with it, that would help our work massively. A type of problem that you may come across is a muddy bog or a locked gate or a broken stile. We always want to hear about these problems, and if you could please log them on the system, they will then be picked up by myself and passed on to the relevant warden area, who will then deal with the problem as appropriate by either discussing with the landowner or passing it on to Gwynedd or Conwy as a designated highway authority. As part of our work, we will take out the new system, we will walk routes within Eryri and update our database so we can take photos of the furniture, log the condition, and then it will sync back up to the desktop site.